Hey, I'm going to answer that real estate question in just about 30 seconds, but before I do you know what the difference is between a person who goes to the gym every day versus that person who stays home and watches a lot of TV every day? Well, the difference is the person that goes to the gym decides to go to the gym every day, and the person that stays home and watches TV decides to stay home and watch TV. It really is that simple. Now, let's get to real estate. The difference between the realtors who make really good money and the realtors who make little or no money. The realtors who make really good money in this business choose to go out and get business. They prospect. There's a lot of ways to get business, a whole lot of ways. You can pick a variety of different ways, but you have to pick one, master it, and do it every day. And the realtors who don't make a lot of money choose not to go out and prospect, not to go after business. Really is that simple. It is, that's a fact. Jim McCord, I'm a real estate coach. I sold real estate for 25 years. I got a website with a lot of free information. It's not a drip site. I don't need your email. You can go there and see 20 free videos. revolutioninrealestate.com. Got all kind of ways for you guys to go out and get business. Also have a book I wrote a couple years ago, A Revolution in Real Estate Sales. You can get that on Amazon, or you can see it on my site, revolutioninrealestate.com. Don't sit home, guys. Don't go out of business like 80% of the realtors across the country. Go out and prospect. Choose your way to get business and do it. Do it every day. Every day.